So in this video I'm going to review Urban 20,000 mAh power bank, which comes with 18 watt quick charging plus PD charging support. And let's turn around, and here you can see some key specification. So it's lithium polymer battery inside, and here it also shows how much time it takes to charge your smartphone. And coming to the compatibility, which supports tablet, Android phone, iPhone, headphone, buds and all that. Coming to the pricing of the smartphone, that is 3,999, but that is available on Amazon for 1,200. But you can purchase this product on discount, which I have purchased, that is for 999. So that is the max price reduction on this. So now keep this aside. Coming to this user manual, so some product overview, instructions, safety guide and all those things. It also shows LED percentage and all those things are also there. Charging percentage, discharging precaution. So let's keep it aside. We also get this replacement warranty, 1 year replacement warranty. And to avail the warranty, you need to click the picture of your invoice and to update on this site, because I haven't tried, so I don't even know how to apply for it. So once we turn this leaflet, so we get the customer care details, that is a toll-free number and Facebook and Insta handle. Let's keep this aside. Now coming to this Type-C cable, which is small, but it supports 18 watt fast charging. So it is recommended to charge your smartphone with this Type-C cable. And that's all we get inside. Now finally coming to this main unit, the reason currently I'm charging my smartphone with this, let me remove. So that's how it looks like. And before I start with review, so some product overview, and herein you'll get to know about the details. I haven't unwrapped it because I need to return this product. So it's a metal build and strong enough, so but flimsy enough, so it will fall from your hand because of this texture. So we get 4 LED indicators, and you'll come to know about battery percentage. So like 75 to 100% is already declined, so it's all auto turned off. So we get dual USB support, and one is 3 ampere, another is 2 ampere. PD charging support and micro USB charging support. So it takes around 7 to 8 hours to get fully charged, and I don't know what is the problem with unit, maybe more than that, but the charging time is around 7 to 8 hours. So coming to this fast charging support and 18 watt claim. So Urban claims it 18 watt quick charging plus PD charging. However, the support to charge this power bank is around 7 to 8 hours. So it takes time to charge this power bank, because I don't know, because of its capacity, because it's a real power bank when it comes to the power storage. Now coming to charging your smartphone with this power bank, so it takes a lot of time. However, I have a Samsung S8, so it's a tedious task to charge my smartphone, and I didn't expected much from Urban, because that's my third product, and I don't have good experience with this. So in my experience, I don't think so that if you are a Samsung user, it will greet you with a happiness. However, I like this power bank and its build quality, but I'm going to return this as of now, and hope so that if they send replacement that anyhow work. So that's all in this review mainly, but I'll share some more points as well before buying power banks. So uh, what is happening nowadays, no one is complaining about, and everyone seems to be bothered about paid reviews, and I haven't seen anything which covers about the real problem why these companies are claiming just like this 18 watt quick charging plus PD charging. Now let's keep it aside. And that is the problem. If it doesn't support, I mean, fast charging, so there is no need to claim it. Even it makes sound while moving it, but although it's less compared to its sibling like 10,000 mAh. So overall, the good build quality, it takes time, but you cannot consider it as a con, because sometimes when your power bank supports fast charging, it also consumes power, that is to say less storage capacity, but urban ensure that that is around the maximum capacity you'll get out of it. So even after charging it for more than once, I amazed to see that still it shows, I mean, 3 LED indicators. So that is the good thing, but it takes a lot of time to charge my smartphone, and I really want uh, a power bank which really supports fast charging. Uh, however, I have purchased, I mean, 3 to 4 power banks, and they all turned out to be a huge disappointment. And I need to cover this point because no one really review about the power bank. So I ensure that that's all you'll come to know before buying power bank. Please ensure the power output and the storage capacity as well. But it shows fast charging, but it doesn't support for Samsung phones. However, you may try it with your phone in case if you don't find it interesting or it doesn't support fast charging, so you can return it, because Amazon allows you to return it freely. But when it comes to Flipkart, it's a tedious task. But even it can also happen with Flipkart, so you can buy it either from Flipkart or Amazon. So that's all in this review, and I hope this will help you buying your power bank. Thanks for watching.